middle and a dish to Stan Hardinger.
Ilan yung nakapula doon? 4. Inikutan, binangga, tinabi. Sinut ang bola. 2 points for Stan Hardinger.
Good in making adjustments in game. Kaya winning this would be their great.
Interior passing ng Barangay Ginebra. They penetrate.
Up ahead of Stan Hardinger. He'll lay it up as if he's in the round draw.
There's him.
August Road. NA down to Stan Hardinger.
Oh, what a move!
Good fake. Good fake. What a fake. It is already considered a basket.
Pointer here, rolling to the basket and catching that pass, going for a hard shot. Laban dito kay Taha.
7 points on 3 of 4 shooting from the field para dito kay Christian.
Yeah. Beautiful give and go. Ahead of Stan Hardinger. Stan Hardinger will pick it up and drop it to Scotty. Balik kay Christian. And that's a basket for Stan Hardinger.
You have to understand if you're San Miguel that CStand will always rim run.
Bounces on the back iron. Step in, will go. They don't force it. Stan Hardinger parts up the inside and gets it to bite. Stan Hardinger. Nice pass to Scotty. Hindi nabuta sa taas.
Habulin ng San Miguel. Pero wala pa rin makapigil din dito kay CStand. Dali, kung pumasok yung mga yun. CStand here. Oh, he is unstoppable right now. 15 points na yan para kay Stan.
Gusto bang dagdagan, and Stan Hardinger, kahit tabingin na yung katawan, finds a way to put it in.
Yes, sabi ni Stan Hardinger, thank you. Not challenging me.
No, the rebound, yes. Ahead to Stan Hardinger. He will take care of business.
Umangat na rin sila.
Oh, but look, Stan Hardinger.
Dito manggap si Junmar on the run.
Walang communication.
Here we go. Bang!
Stan Hardinger, ang galing talaga sa mga tira na akala mo off balance.
There's a cut by Scotty. There's a foul. And a basket.